Paurito ni mimi. Naitwa Paurito Kamal. I'm located in Nyandarua County, Jabini location. Yeah, just near Jabini. Jabini is here. And kwa haraka is here. So I'm in between Jabini and kwa haraka. So mimi ni mfugaji wa ng'ombe. Na nauza ng'ombe, nalea ng'ombe, na funza watu kuhusu ng'ombe. Yeah, na everything that entails dairy cows.
The sun rises over Nyandarua, casting a soft orange glow over the countryside. In the stillness of dawn, Politos begin his day. The cold morning air is thick with the anticipation as the cows are ready to be loaded. The journey is here.
I have some clients here in Kenya and also clients in Tanzania and Uganda. Okay, my animals have a big market. Tunauza ng'ombe Kenya. Kenya, it's the most part we are selling animals. We also selling animals in Uganda, and also we are selling animals in Tanzania.
It is no ordinary task. Polito oversees every step, ensuring that his cattle are safely prepared for the road ahead. First, they carefully corralled into a holding area. It's a meticulous process, one that requires experience, patience, and deep understanding of his animals.
We have already loaded the animals, the 3 animals. This one is almost calving. It's remaining 2 weeks time. This one is a heifer that's 6 months in calf. This one is a heifer that is 8 months in calf. We have already loaded here in Nyandarua County, place known as Kinangop, Jabini location.
Once the cow was safely loaded in the truck, it is time to hit the road. The engine hums to life and the convoy starts to move. The truck with its precious cargo make its way down in the narrow road of Nyandarua, heading toward the capital city of Uganda. That is Kampala. The air is filled with anticipation, and Politos knows that the next few days will be a true test of endurance. Polito's truck will travel through the heart of Kenya, passing bustling towns, dusty village, and endless highway before crossing into Uganda. It's a journey that takes his far from home, but he has to made countless time before. After hours on the road, the truck approaches border, an international line dividing Kenya and Uganda. This is where the real challenge begins. The customer process is long, detailed, and often filled with uncertainty. Polito and his team pulled into custom yard. The cows are unloaded for the inspection, and the border official check the necessary paperwork. With the paperwork in order and the cows are once again secured in the truck, the final leg of the journey begins. The truck rolls through Uganda rolling hill and farmland, inching close to the final destination. The road here are different, wide, smooth, but the journey has to take a toll. The cows are tired, but they are almost there. Finally, the truck pulls up to the destination. The cow are loaded. Their journey complete.
From Uganda, a resident of Sai. Today I'm privileged to receive a cow from Mr. Polito, all the way from Kenya. He's a trusted guy. I ordered my cow online and he has delivered it. What I ordered is what he has delivered. So I'm so lucky to have him. Mr. Polito, when I ordered my cow, I did not pay him a single coin, and when he has delivered my cow, that's when I'm paying him.
Polito watches as his clients, many of whom have been waiting for weeks, inspect the animal, their miles of every face. This is the culmination of Polito's work, but it is more than just a transaction. It's the fulfillment of the promise.
My name is Bing Daniel from Butenga village, Uganda's county. Today I'm pleased to receive a cow from Kenya. I have seen this man selling cows from TikTok, Facebook, internet. Now I got a conversation with this man to bring me one of them. Then now he have brought it now. Now I'm going to pay him. If you want to connect with him, you can through contact or email or Facebook or Instagram, whatever any way you want to get a conversation with him. He's online from Facebook, internet, each and everything. Any online you want, you can get him. Now today I'm so very happy from getting this cow from Kenya. Beautiful cow. Very beautiful. You see it. You see it is very beautiful. Yeah, this is my cow. I'm going to pay him today. Now. Thank you.
For Polito, this journey is more than just a business venture. It's about creating a legacy. It's a legacy that connects to nation, build trust, and support a community. He knows the road is long and often difficult, but one, he will be there. He'll continue travel because Polito Kamau farming isn't just about job. It's about mission. And no matter how the journey, he will always make sure that his cow reach destination.